Hey everybody, Ms. Dietrich here. We're taking a look at question number 21. Evan adds 2 1/4 quarts of apple juice to some grape juice to make 5½ quarts of fruit punch. He solves the equation G plus 2 1/4 equals 5½ to find the amount of grape juice, G, in the punch. How much grape juice is in the punch? Here's the equation. So the first thing you need to do is write this on your piece of paper. Write this exactly. The second thing you need to do is you need to ask yourself, what's happening to the variable? And in this case, we're adding 2 1/4. Whenever we're solving equations, we have to apply the inverse operation. What's the opposite of add 2 1/4? Well, it's to subtract 2 1/4, and we have to do that to both sides of the equation. Subtract, subtract to keep it balanced. All right, now if we think about what happens to everything in this green circle, that cancels out. We bring down the G, bring down the equal sign, and we have to subtract these two things. We have two ways to go about it. One way is to turn them into improper fractions and then come up with a common denominator. The other way is to just come up with a common denominator. So let's try that approach. Let's write equals, equals, and it looks like we should use 4 as our common denominator. So this is going to be 5 and something fourths. And this is going to remain as 2 1/4. All right, now we have to ask ourselves, 2 times what would equal 2? And the answer to that question would be 2. So that means we need to do 1 times 2 to get this numerator, which of course would be 2. All right, so now we're going to subtract these green values. 2 minus 1 would be 1, and that would be over 4. So the only thing left you have to do is subtract these two whole numbers and write it right here and put that answer on the answer space. So you have a mixed number. G equals something and 1/4. All right, good luck finishing that up.